We are rolling.
All right. Hey guys, this is my Balsa USA quarter scale J3 Cub. As you can see from all the dirt, it's been getting a lot of use this weekend. Been having a lot of fun here in Eugene in the wet December wetness. As you can see here, this is a OS FT120. This is the first generation of it. I made this muffler for it out of some brass that the hobby shop had. It's got two tubes that kind of intersect inside of this big muffler piece here. The tubes have a bunch of perforations around them and then exit here. Unfortunately, I don't have any pictures or video of what the muffler is designed like. And obviously you can see I had some zip ties here, but they melted off. This is the first time I've had the cowling off in a little while, but as you just heard, it sounds pretty nice and the whole airplane flies pretty nice. I got it for I think 200 bucks off of Craigslist, and then I had the engine on my own, and it's a lot of fun to fly, and it's a Cub. It flies like a Cub. So there's a Twizzler. Red Vine? Red Vine. Anyways, see you guys. Shut up, Carl. Who's flying in this? Serious. Hey guys, so this is my... Tell me when you're rolling. Hi. Today we're gonna talk about my muffler on my Balsa Cub. It's got a muffler on it.
Let me see that again.
Is it rolling?
It has been.
All right.
Ooh.
Hey guys, this is my Balsa USA quarter scale Cub. It's got